Back now with our series AI Revolution and how artificial intelligence is hard at work on some farms. Robots doing the work of dozens of people. Jake Ward has our story.
Okay, yes, it's a killer robot with an AI brain. But hear me out. It kills weeds. On a 2,000-acre organic farm in Central California, this $1.2 million machine does the work of 30 people 24 hours a day.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into the incredible ways artificial intelligence is transforming our world. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's literally feeding the future: how AI is revolutionizing the world of agriculture. Yep, you heard that right. From growing our crops to monitoring livestock, AI is making a huge impact. And trust me, the changes happening right now are pretty mind-blowing. So if you're curious about how technology is reshaping the farming industry, stick around because we're about to get into it. The big problem agriculture faces today. To really appreciate how AI is helping agriculture, we need to understand the challenges farmers face today. The global population is growing fast, and the demand for food is expected to skyrocket in the coming decades. We've got climate change messing with weather patterns, water shortages in many parts of the world, and limited farmland to work with. On top of that, traditional farming methods aren't always sustainable, and sometimes they're just plain inefficient. Now, imagine being a farmer today. You need to produce more food with fewer resources, and you need to do it in an environmentally friendly way. That's where AI steps in like a hero in a sci-fi movie. Precision farming, doing more with less. So, let's talk about one of the biggest buzzwords in AI-driven agriculture: precision farming. But what does it actually mean? Essentially, it's using AI sensors and data analytics to manage crops at a super detailed level. Instead of treating a whole field as one big unit, farmers can now manage individual plants. Yes, individual plants, like the VIPs they are. How? Well, with AI-powered drones and satellite imagery, farmers can monitor the health of crops, spot diseases, and even predict which plants need more water or fertilizer. For example, AI algorithms can analyze the data from these drones to determine which areas of the field are under stress and help farmers make smarter decisions. This isn't just about saving time, it's about saving resources. If you can pinpoint where to irrigate or add nutrients, you're reducing waste and using fewer chemicals. That's a big win for both the farmer's wallet and the environment. Smart machines, the future of farm equipment. Okay, so we've talked about precision farming, but what about the actual machinery farmers use? Enter AI-powered tractors, harvesters, and even robots. We're talking about self-driving tractors that can plant, weed, and harvest crops with incredible accuracy. These machines don't get tired, don't need lunch breaks, and can work in the fields 24/7. For example, companies like John Deere and others are developing autonomous tractors equipped with AI. These machines can follow GPS coordinates, detect obstacles, and avoid running over crops. Think of them as the Tesla of the farming world, but instead of navigating highways, they're navigating rows of corn. Then, there are robots designed to pick delicate crops like strawberries or tomatoes. These crops are tricky because they bruise easily, but AI-powered robots have the precision and gentleness to pick them without damaging the fruit. So, robots are stepping in to do the kind of work that usually needs human hands. AI in livestock management. AI isn't just helping grow better crops, it's also improving the way we manage animals. With AI-powered sensors, farmers can monitor the health of each animal in real time. These sensors track things like body temperature, movement, and even feeding patterns. If a cow isn't moving around as much, or its temperature spikes, the AI system alerts the farmer, who can then check for signs of illness. This early detection can prevent diseases from spreading through the herd, which saves farmers a lot of money and helps ensure that animals are treated more humanely. Some AI systems even track the weight gain and milk production of cows and suggest changes in diet to optimize their health and output. Healthier cows mean better quality milk and meat, which is a win for everyone. AI and climate change. Farming smarter, not harder. Now, one of the biggest benefits of AI in agriculture is its potential to combat climate change. Remember how I mentioned earlier that unpredictable weather patterns are wreaking havoc on farms? Well, AI is helping farmers adapt. For instance, AI models can analyze years of weather data and predict the best times to plant crops. These models also factor in soil moisture levels, rainfall, and temperature patterns to give farmers a head start. This kind of smart planning leads to better yields and reduces the risk of crop failure. And it doesn't stop there. AI is also being used to create more climate-resilient crops. Using machine learning, scientists are identifying traits in plants that make them more resistant to drought or extreme temperatures. These crops could be the key to feeding the world in the future. Challenges and ethical considerations. Of course, like any new technology, AI in agriculture comes with its own set of challenges and ethical questions. First off, there's the issue of accessibility. While large-scale farmers in developed countries can afford AI systems, smaller farms in developing countries may not have the resources to invest in this tech. This could widen the gap between rich and poor farmers. There's also the question of data privacy. AI systems rely on huge amounts of data, and we need to ensure that farmers' data is being used ethically. Who owns the data collected by drones and sensors? How can farmers protect themselves from misuse of their information? And finally, there's the fear of job loss. With machines doing more of the work, will we see fewer people working on farms? It's a complex issue that will require careful planning and policies to ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed fairly. So where does this leave us? Well, it's clear that AI has the potential to revolutionize agriculture in ways we couldn't have imagined even a few years ago. From precision farming and smart machines to livestock management and climate resilience, AI is giving us the tools to produce more food in a sustainable way. But as with any powerful tool, it comes with its own set of responsibilities. We need to make sure that AI helps all farmers, big and small, and that it's used in an ethical and sustainable way. That's all for today's video. If you found this interesting, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on AI's impact on our world. And hey, let me know in the comments, what part of AI in agriculture do you find the most exciting? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.